This is second part of quadratic factor in trigonometric equation. Solve the following quadratic factor in trigonometric equation for all exact solution over the interval 0 to 2 pi, that is where x is between 0 and 2 pi, and no calculator. Quadratic trigonometric equation is minus 2 sine squared x equals 3 sine x plus 1. We will solve for x in radian. Note this is similar to the algebra 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. That is the quadratic equation in algebra. And that is factored as x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 equals 0. And here is the detailed solution. Minus 2 sine squared x equals 3 sine x plus 1. And we'll move the minus 2 sine squared x to the right, then that is 0 equals 2 sine squared x plus 3 sine x plus 1. That is 2 sine squared x plus 3 sine x plus 1 equals 0, which is similar to the 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 equals 0. And that is factored as x plus 1 times 2x plus 1 equals 0. And that is exactly what we will do. We'll do sine x plus 1 times 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. That means sine x plus 1 equals 0, or 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0. These are the two solutions. For sine x plus 1 equals 0, sine x equals minus 1, x equals sine inverse of minus 1, that is x equals 3 pi over 2, which is 270 degrees. Then for 2 sine x plus 1 equals 0, 2 sine x equals minus 1, sine x equals minus half. As you know, sine x is negative in the third quadrant and fourth quadrant, so that means this solution is in the third quadrant. Sine x equals minus half, x equals sine inverse minus half, that is x equals pi plus pi over 6, which is x equals 7 pi over 6, which is equals 210 degrees. Or it is in the fourth quadrant, sine x equals minus half, x equals sine inverse minus half, that is x equals 2 pi plus minus pi over 6, that is x equals 11 pi over 6, which is 330 degrees. So the solution is x equals 7 pi over 6, which is 210 degrees, and that is in the third quadrant. Then 3 pi over 2, which is 270 degrees, and that is the quadrantal angle. Then 11 pi over 6, which is in the fourth quadrant, it is 330 degrees. And here is in picture format, x equals, the solution are in the third quadrant, that is 7 pi over 6, which is 210 degrees, and the reference angle is pi over 6 or 30 degrees. And that's why here is the solution is pi plus the reference angle, which is 180 degrees, plus the reference angle, which is 30, and that is 210. Then it is the quadrantal angle 3 pi over 2, which is 270 degrees. Then it is in the fourth quadrant, 11 pi over 6, which is in the fourth quadrant with the reference angle pi over 6, that is 30 degrees, and that's why it is 2 pi minus pi over 6, which is 360 degree minus the reference angle 30 degree, which is 330 degree. And thank you. Please subscribe, share and like, and ask your friends to subscribe, share and like.